I will teach you paano mag-withdraw ng cardless using the Vibe app of BPI. So, first is go to the app, tapos click cash out. Tapos, cardless withdrawal. Choose cardless withdrawal. Then, click the amount na i-withdraw mo. In my case, I will withdraw just 2,000. Tapos, enter your PIN. Yan. Tapos, you will get this. Yan. Screenshot ko na lang. Tapos, nandito yung instruction. Tapos, go then find a BPI machine. Nakahanap na ako. Yan. Okay. So, okay. Select bank, BPI. Tapos, choose cardless withdrawal. Enter the order ID. It's supposed to be here. So, it's click confirm. Enter the amount to withdraw. Syempre, nilagay mo yan kanina dito, diba? So, it's 2,000 pesos. Then, confirm. Then, you will find the... You can find the one-time PIN sa notification sa app. So, click this. Yan. Tapos, dito. Then, the PIN should be here. So, it's... yan. This processing na. Yay! It's that easy. Successful. Need the receipt? No. So, if you're out there and nalimutan mo yung wallet mo, tapos nalimutan mo yung card mo, always remember na pwede kang mag-withdraw ng walang card sa BPI machine by just using your Vibe app. Okay? Bye. Thanks. God bless.